Welcome to Factful Fridays. Today we are introducing a handy tool every Maruti Suzuki owner should know about, the Tubeless Tyre Repair Kit. This kit is now included in select Maruti Suzuki models in lieu of a spare wheel. This compact kit helps you to temporarily fix a puncture with very less efforts and get back on the road quickly. Using the Tubeless Tyre Repair Kit is simple. Just follow these steps. 1. Place the vehicle on level, hard ground. 2. Turn on the hazard warning flasher and place the warning triangle. 3. Connect the sealant bottle. 4. Attach the compressor. 5. Power it via the car's accessory socket. 6. Inflate the tubeless tire. Once inflated, drive slowly to the nearest Maruti Suzuki authorized workshop for a thorough check. Our experts will ensure your tubeless tire is safe and road ready. With the Tubeless Tyre Repair Kit, you're always ready for the unexpected. Want us to cover a specific topic? Drop your suggestions in the comments and you might see it in the next episode of Factful Fridays. See you next Friday for more such car tips. Stay informed, stay safe.